What's going on, YouTube? It's Braylo. Thank you for coming to my channel. So we're gonna hop straight into this video. I know if you're new to my channel, welcome. But I will have a video of me doing my driver's side, but this time I'll be doing my passenger side door. I'll be installing in a window regulator. It's gonna take probably about 15-20 minutes. And yeah, thank you guys for coming to my channel and watching. Hope you enjoy. Be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe down below, and yeah, let's get it. I'll basically be talking in the background, so there you go. First off, I want to show y'all the parts that I have before I get into the video. This is the window regulator. This is the part. You can order it off of Amazon. It's cheaper. I ordered it from the part store, which ended up costing, it cost a little bit more than it would on Amazon, but I would recommend you order it off of Amazon, and I'll link that down in the description down below. But let's hop straight into the video.
Looking for some things that I think that I can find. Oh yeah, why is this so for me? Oh yeah, just say alright. Oh yeah. You wanna get with me? Stop it. Yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? In the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, how about her week? You telling me Tay is the best. Pointing at you, who act like a killer, but you only one from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you won't get straight. Bring Drake to the hood, surround Drake. Even though I got the cake, I'ma do what it takes. And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Now they just called me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't get it. Party still beating, my niggas still eat it. Like yo, they look like the garden they eat it. Little talk with him, she spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last. Down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby.
window back on just like new. So y'all gotta excuse the video. Like my camera just kept cutting off throughout the whole video. I'm so frustrated like right now, like really frustrated. I really hope that you guys can really fix your window off of this video, because I don't know, just the camera kept cutting off, and I was just trying to get it on. But as you can see, it's fairly easy. You can order the part off of Amazon, or you can go to your nearest auto store and purchase the part. This video can help any Honda Accord coupe between the years of 2003 and 2007. So it'll honestly help you. I do have a video up when I did my driver's side video, so that may help you out a lot as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for some more content that I'll be dropping. And that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoy it.